All right. Well, we've already talked about ACER's 4 new practice tests, otherwise known as full-length pain. Now let's talk about how to use them properly. First up, ACER's Practice Test A ebook, which is free with GAMSAT registration. This one is not your prove yourself exam. It's your learning exam. So complete it untimed, bit by bit. One section today, a bit more tomorrow, a few questions on the train or bus or whatever. And when you assess your performance, don't just go, oh, I got it wrong, whatever. No ghosting your mistakes. After each chunk, carefully go through the work solutions, either by creating your own or with a study group or with Gold Standard GAMSAT YouTube work solutions. Because the goal isn't to collect questions and answers. The goal is to learn how GAMSAT thinks. Here's the bottom line. GAMSAT does not reward random fact hoarding. You don't need to memorize the mitochondria's childhood trauma. You need to get good at reasoning, patterns, and problem solving. Because ACER is now providing real past GAMSAT exam questions relevant to your upcoming real exam. Now, do not burn all 4 mock exams immediately. Keep 3 tests for a few weeks before your real exam. Practice Test B ebook, ACER's first online test, ACER's second online test. When you sit those 3 mock exams, treat them like the real thing. Sit them in one go. No pausing for snacks. Mobile in a different building. And yes, time yourself properly. If you generously give yourself extra time, congratulations. You've trained for an exam that doesn't exist. After each timed mock exam, assess yourself properly. That means don't just check the answer. Ask, why did I get it wrong? Was it misreading the passage or stem? Rushing? Weak reasoning step? Running out of time? Panic clicking? Yes, that's real. And then look for patterns in your mistakes. But to be clear, uncomfortable practice now equals confidence later. If you use Practice Test A to learn and save the other 3 to simulate the real exam and study, practice in between, you'll improve way faster and feel way more confident. For free work solutions to ACER's mock exams, head to Gold Standard GAMSAT on YouTube. If you want books, videos, 15 plus updated full-length mock exams, and live interactive tutorials, train your brain at GAMSATprep.com. Our next video will discuss ACER's amazing online test generator. Keep training smart. You can do this. Good luck.